Hi there! Welcome to my latest vlog. Spring is finally here and I'm so excited to be reopening my pool after the long winter break and getting it ready for the upcoming summer season. I'll be taking you through the process of cleaning my swimming pool. As you may know, cleaning a swimming pool can be quite a tedious and time-consuming task. But that's not the case if you have a Chasting Cm600. I get the job done in no time. So let's do it! I just need to plug in, sink it in the pool, and leave it to his own devices. While the robot is working, I can do my gardens alongside the pool. Check out Chasting Cm600's incredible cleaning ability and path planning. Look, it starts to climb the wall, move laterally along the waterline. It cleans everywhere, no missing spot. Then, when the session finishes after 2 hours, it's time to retrieve. Press pick up and wait for Chasting Cm600 to self-park close to the waterline. Hold the handle and put it on. It's super easy. Ew, look at all these leaves and dirt. It's disgusting. Wow, look how nice and clean my pool looks now.